Let's look at this set. Durga Puja and Diwali are two major festivals when film producers try to release their movies in West Bengal. Five actors, namely Abir, Ankush, Dev, Jishu, and Soham, played the role of lead actors in five new movies that will be released this year in and around these two festivals. Each of these five actors acted in only one movie. The five actresses, named Jaya, Mimi, Nusrat, Subhashri, and Swastika, played the roles of lead actresses in these five movies against the previously mentioned actors. Each of these five actresses acted in only one movie. Each movie has a position of only one lead actor and one lead actress. Okay. These five movies will be released in 5 consecutive weeks. That is one movie in each week. No other movie will be released during these 5 weeks. So we have three information points to capture. First is week number, then the actor, and then the actors. Okay. We have to capture these three data points and we have to do it for 5 weeks. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Okay. Let's try. What are the data points here? Jaya's movie will be released after Dev's movie. Okay. From this, what we know is the first actress, the actress whose movie comes out in week number 1 is definitely not Jaya. Definitely not Jaya. But where is Dev and Jaya? We don't know right now. Next, the release dates of exactly two movies have been scheduled between the movies of Abir and Ankush. So, Abir and Ankush could be in slot week 1, week 4, or they could be in week 2, week 5. Abir and Ankush. So, essentially, we get 4 cases. Abir Ankush on 1-4, Ankush Abir on 1-4. Then Abir Ankush on 2-5, and Ankush Abir on 2-5. Next, Nusrat's movie will be released before Swastika's movie. And Swastika's movie will be released before Subhashri's movie, but not in consecutive weeks. From this, what we know is Nusrat is above Swastika. And then there is Subhashri. Now, we don't even know Nusrat above Swastika is happening in consecutive weeks. So it could be 1, 2, 4. It could happen as 1, 2, 5. It could also happen as 1, 3, 5. These are the three possibilities for Nusrat, Swastika, Subhashri. Nusrat, Swastika, Subhashri could be 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, or 1, 2, 5. It could also happen as 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. These four possibilities exist for Nusrat, Swastika, Subhashri. Okay. Essentially, Swastika has to be within the first three. Swastika has to be within the first three, and Nusrat has to be within the first two. But I know for certain this is definitely not Swastika, this is definitely not Subhashri. Just shifting everything a little leftwards so that I have space to mention Subhashri here. This is not Subhashri. This is definitely not Subhashri. Okay. But we can't record it anyway. Next, exactly one movie will be released between the movies of Jishu and Mimi, where movies will be released later. Okay. So, for Jishu and Mimi, we can have 1, 3, we can have 2, 4, we can have 3, 5, 1, 3, or 2, 4, or 3, 5. And we know for certain in the first lot, I will definitely not have Mimi either. So I can't have Jaya, I can't have Swastika, I can't have Subhashri, I can't have Mimi, The only actress that can come in week one is Nusrat. The only actor that can come in week one is Nusrat. Okay. The movie of Dev will be released in the week immediately preceding the week in which movie of Ankush will be released. Okay. Now, I am checking Ankush and Abir could come in slot 1 and 4 or slot 2 and 5. So if Ankush comes in slot 1, if Ankush comes in slot 1, then Dev's slot would not be available at all. So Ankush on slot 1 is not possible. How about Ankush in slot 2? Possible. Ankush in slot 4? Possible. Ankush in slot 5? Possible. I know if it is 1-4, it has to be Abir Ankush. If it is 1-4, it has to be Abir Ankush. But for 2-5, we still don't know. The movie of Dev will be released in the week immediately preceding the week in which movie of Ankush will be released. Next, Nusrat and Dev did not work in the same movie. So this spot cannot be Dev. This spot cannot be Dev. And if first spot cannot be Dev, according to point number 5, second spot cannot be Ankush either. If first spot cannot be Dev, the second spot cannot be Ankush. So if second spot cannot be Ankush, it can be either Abir and Ankush. So we have Nusrat and Dev not coming together is known. Nusrat and Dev coming together is known, as it cannot be together. In the first slot, you can have Abir Ankush, or you can have Abir and Ankush in slot 2 and 5. Then Jishu Mimi, we get 3 cases, 1-3 or 2-4 and 3-5. And for Nusrat being in slot 1, this is out. This is definitely out. You can have 1-2-5, you can have 1-2-4, you can have 1-3-5. Swastika is in 2 or 3. This is gone. Okay. Now, given that I have 3 cases to check here, I have 3 cases to check here, I have 2 cases to check here from statement 2. I will prefer using cases from statement 2. Abir Ankush in slot 1 and 4. I'll start off with Abir Ankush in slot 1 and 4. So, Abir Ankush. If Abir and Ankush are here, from statement number 5, Dev will be just above it. This is where Dev is. This is done. So Jaya has to be in one of these 2 slots. Jaya has to be in one of these 2 slots. Now I'm trying to fit Jishu and Mimi. Jishu cannot come in slot 1, used up. Jishu can come in slot 2. Jishu cannot come in slot 3. So the only way it works is if Jishu is here and Mimi is here. With this done, Jaya has to come in slot 5. This is Jaya. The only actor left is Soham. And there are 2 slots left. And the 2 slots left are for Swastika and Subhashri. And this is a problem. There is a problem because right now, point number 3 is getting violated. Nusrat's movie will be released before Swastika's movie. Swastika's movie will be released before Subhashri's movie, but not in consecutive weeks. But here they are being released in consecutive weeks. But while making this case, the only decision that we had taken, the only assumption that we had taken was fitting Abir and Ankush in slot 1 and 4. The rest of the things were inferred. Rest of the things drew from there. But Abir and Ankush in slot 1 and 4 was something we had decided, and it has turned out to be an unacceptable case. Which means we cannot put Abir and Ankush in slot 1 and 4. This is not possible. And then this gives us the precise spot for Abir Ankush. Let me just fill out those things. The only guaranteed piece of info we have is Nusrat in slot 1. So, if I have Abir here and I have Ankush here, I will have Dev here and I will have Jaya here. Dev here because of 0.5 and Jaya here because of 0.1. Now, again, Jishu Mimi on 1 and 3. Yes, possible. 2 and 4 not possible because slot 2 of actor is used up. 3 and 5 not possible because slot 5 of actress is used up. So the only way it possibly works is Jishu here, Mimi here. The only actor left is Soham. And the two actresses left are Swastika and Subhashri. So Swastika and Subhashri. And now we have the final fit of all the 5 actors and 5 actresses. Let's get to individual questions. We assume that the first movie among these, we assume that the first movie among these 5 movies will be released in week 1. The second movie will be released in week 2 and so on. What is the week number in which Jaya's movie will be released? The answer to the question is 5. Jaya's movie comes out in week 5. The number of movies that will be released between the movies of Nusrat and Dev is. Nusrat is week 1, Dev is week 4. So between them, there will be 2 movies released. Who played the role of lead actress in the movie in which the role of lead actor was played by Jishu was acting with Nusrat? Option A. Who played the role of lead actor in the movie in which the role of lead actress was played by Jaya? Jaya is paired up with Ankush. So option D. And that is the entirety of this set. I've deliberately taken the longest path to the answer by checking Abir and Ankush in slot 1 and 4 first, and then putting them down in 2 and 5. Hopefully, all the points are clear to you.